Guys, I have here Nerf gun. It has 3 styrofoam bullets. Alright, another Nerf gun, dual strike mega. It has a selector elite. Elite means the 3 small bullets, which is this, and then the mega is this 1 2 3. Now I select mega. Okay, now I will select the elite, which is here. It's quite old. Oh, it's a fail. Alright, it's called Alpha Strike. It looks like a rifle. Oh, it's single bullet. You need to insert it here. Okay, then maybe it's 3 meters distance. It's called Alpha Strike. Another Nerf gun, Surge Fire. It has how many bullets? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15. So you need to some of the bullets are quite old, that's why it's like that. Alright, I have another Nerf gun here, which is called Elite 2.0 Echo. It's in 4 piece with a magazine. I will connect it. Need to be precise because there's a slot. Alright, and there is a magazine. This is the magazine, arrows through here, and it's, let's count the bullet, the what you call this, styrofoam bullet. 1 2 3 4 5 6. This Nerf gun has a 10 bullets, styrofoam bullets. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. We put it in, but we need to reload it. Check it. I like this better than the others. It's quite accurate.